Alrighty besties, we're getting right into this video. I'm going to take this temporary, ordinary table and chairs and turn it into something extraordinary. Wait till you see what I have in mind. So I'm going to use a mix of thrifted and new fabrics to bring in that coastal nautical feel and look that I'm going for. Here's one last look at this table before we turn it into something fabulous. And we can't forget about these chairs. We have to make these match as well. That's much better. And I'm going to be adding more detail to the chairs later. I am loving how this is turning out so far. We may not be able to finish this week with every little thing. I haven't been feeling my best. I'm still just a tad bit under the weather, so I really don't want to push myself too hard, but I didn't want to not post anything. And I wanted to keep you up to date with what I'm doing here and how my coastal decor is going. And this is too cute not to share. So I'm not going to finish the table today, but it will be almost finished. We need to decide on a centerpiece. And I went back and forth on this. I really like using the blue vase, and I wanted to have something that was kind of wispy and nautical and kind of gave me that feel of walking along the beach and the wheatgrass and all that going, but it was just too tall. And then I thought about putting greenery in it, and that was just too blah, it just didn't go. So then I thought I was going to pull my stands that I made a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to pull my lanterns. These really give me that nautical vibe. And if I put them in the center of the table, I thought, yeah, I'm onto something. So then I thought it needs more. It needs to, this is an unfinished look. This is a great foundation, but it needs something. And this is what it needs. It needs that nautical kind of, the stuff that you find when you're on the beach, that kelp and all that kind of stuff. It doesn't always have to be green. I wanted to have a more naturalistic look. And so I pulled this, which happens to be in my fall stash, and I pull it out in the fall. But I thought this would be perfect to pull out now too. And I'm just going to play with it and get it wrapped around these lanterns the best that I can. And then that'll help soften everything and really just kind of blend everything together and bring some warmth to the centerpiece. But I'm not done. Oh no, I'm a maximalist. How could I be done? But it is looking great so far. The next thing I'm going to do is just add a couple of little touches. Maybe I'll add one of my little boats. I definitely want to add some ambiance with some fairy lights. And also, these are battery operated lanterns, so they will come on at night as well. And I just think that this is really going to be a showstopper. So besties, this is how it turned out and how it looks at night. It is so pretty to sit back and look at all the ambiance and how this came together. It's just so pretty and it makes my heart so happy. So this will wrap up my little dining room area, and then with a few little tweaks. I'm still doing some tweaks. You'll see that in the home tour. But I'm not going to do a summer home tour until we're actually in summer, because I'm taking my time at curating this theme and this look that I'm going for. So I hope you liked this video, besties, and until next Sunday when we do this all again, I will see you then, besties. Bye.